been asked whether it's okay to hug a dog. Some people say it's okay, some people don't. So I'm going to hug Fergo now and see if he's okay with being hugged. Okay, Fergo? Fergo doesn't seem to mind a lot. It's good for us, isn't it? We feel really good hugging a doggy. One of the best feelings in the world. But what do dogs have to say about it? Here's what it is. In the doggy world, dogs don't hug as a sign of affection. Two dogs will only hug each other when they're in a full-fledged fight. So when you come up to a strange dog and you want to hug a strange dog, be careful because you could get your face bitten off. Because in the dog world, the dog views a hug as a threatening gesture. But then how is it that Fergo doesn't mind me hugging him? He doesn't mind me. That's because Fergo has grown up around human beings. And when dogs live with us, when our pet dogs live with us in our homes, we tend to hug them and kiss them and hug them and kiss them all the time. And the dog eventually learns that it's just a harmless human way of showing affection. And the dogs tend to become desensitized to the hugging and they don't see it as a threatening gesture. But that's only with dogs like Fergo who are used to this kind of touch. If I try to do this to a street dog, I go up to a street dog and I say, "Hi, I love you so much," and I give it a hug, that dog could view it as a threatening gesture, which is what it would be in the dog world, and could turn and bite me. Also, some dogs don't enjoy it at all. I've seen so many people hugging the dogs and the dog looking absolutely miserable. So, see your own dog. But then on the other hand, I've known dogs that love being hugged. So they've learned over a period of time that it's fun, it's a great way to get attention, and then they learn to make it into an enjoyable behavior. So here's what it is. Does the dog really enjoy it? I'm not sure about that. But if your dog doesn't seem to mind and it's something that fulfills you, which is what it does for me, good boy. She didn't like that. Could you see the lip licking? That's a sign of stress in the dog. Fergo didn't like that. And I have to now respect that. Don't hug this dog. He doesn't like it. Please, let's respect what dogs are saying to us. Let's not impose our will on them all the time. So Fergo doesn't like to be hugged. I'm going to not hug him anymore. So remember, hugging could get you bitten if you do it to a strange dog, or if a dog's clearly telling you that he just told you that he doesn't like it. So be careful when hugging your dogs.